Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at Arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update, and I'll just tell you right off the bat here, it is going to be a very messy weather day for us as we do have a warm front moving in this morning, and that will be followed by a cold front this afternoon, and it's a very slow-moving system, so we are looking at what will be some rain throughout the day today. You can see the rain already picking up across East Texas this morning. In addition to the rain, it will be breezy and it will be cold as well. We'll have highs today likely in the 40s and 50s. So look at what's happening this morning. We've got some warmer air across East Texas by comparison to everybody else. It's still a chilly morning as all locations are in the 40s here. But that's important because since we're in the 40s, we're not going to see any winter weather here. And the winds are out in the southeast about 10 miles per hour. But the winds will be gusting today about 20 miles per hour or so. So we will have some of those wind chill temperatures throughout the day, likely in the 30s and 40s. So that will be blowing the rain in sideways as well. So it's going to be one of those days. The umbrella will keep you kind of dry, but the rain will be coming in from a few different angles today. So just make sure you do have an umbrella with you today and a jacket that can repel the rain if at all possible if you do have to spend any time outside. Right now, forecasting highs to range from anywhere from 41 in Idabel to upper 40s in Texarkana. Shreveport may briefly touch 50 degrees or so, and the rain will pick up here in Shreveport at some point this morning, and likely just a steady rain through the afternoon and evening today. It is possible we could see an isolated thunderstorm or two, but just given the cold air that's in place, we are not in the severe weather outlook today. But of course, any thunderstorms will bring some lightning as well as some brief heavy downpours as well. So what's kind of driving all this? You can see this big area of low pressure, which is just kind of parked over Texas and Oklahoma at the moment. And notice it's not moving. The radar loop here is for several hours, and that low is just basically going to move across the region at a snail's pace today. So that means the rain's not going to have much movement off to the east. So you'll see the rain kind of pick up this morning and just likely stay with us through the afternoon. Now, will it rain for 8 straight hours? Probably not, but we are going to see it rain fairly steady for maybe an hour or two. You may get a little bit of a break, and then it will pick back up for an hour or two, and you get the impression here that the rain will be around through the afternoon and evening as well, just due to the slow movement of that area of low pressure. What will happen tonight, most of the rain will get pushed off to the east, and we'll get one of the dry slots, which moves in with these areas of low pressure, so that should shut off the rainfall for most of us. And we are forecasting temperatures in the 30s and 40s tonight, but we should stay above freezing. So right now, the expectation that we'll see any winter weather is extremely low, but it is possible if some of the rain lingers through tomorrow morning, we could definitely see maybe a little changeover into perhaps some snow flurries, but that would have no impact on us as far as any travel conditions, any kind of accumulation, but can't rule it out at this point. What we do know for sure is that we will see a cold rain, and you can see the accumulations there in that maybe half-inch to inch range, but we will likely see some spots here across East Texas that do pick up over an inch of rain, and that will be good rainfall for us. Of course, we have the drought conditions most severe across East Texas at the moment, so if we can get you an inch or two of rain today, that wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. Temperatures tonight forecasting 30s as well as low 40s, so again, not below freezing. So again, the potential for any changeover into winter weather is pretty low for us here, but it will be another cold day tomorrow. I have overcast skies in the forecast, so we will likely stay in the 40s and low 50s. Sun will begin to poke back through on Friday, and it should be a pretty amazing weekend for us as we'll have cold mornings, but the afternoons will be warmer, kind of close to normal for this time of the year, which is in the low 60s, and now we're looking dry for much of next week as well.